Hey y'all, what's up? It is your girl Haley Elise. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode on my YouTube channel. So I already know what y'all thinking. Haley, what you doing, sis? When we start wearing wigs, when we start doing all of that. But you know, I had to bring y'all along for the journey. I'ma really tell y'all how I got. I really be tired, like honestly. And some days it's just too much. And also not too long ago, maybe from the beginning of the pandemic to the last 6 months, I had overly been doing protective styles. Protective hairstyling can also be bad for your hair if you're not maintaining it and you just go back to back all the time. You're not keeping your hair moisturized. You're not properly taking it out. If your hair has gotten damaged with some of the extensions and you're not properly caring for it. And so for me, especially when the pandemic started, I kept doing braids, locks, and all of that stuff, and even two-strand twists on my natural hair. But I would leave it in for a little minute, okay? Like 6 to 8 weeks. And you shouldn't do that just back to back to back to back. And then I wasn't getting trims, and I wasn't deep conditioning, I wasn't doing protein treatments. All the stuff that I would tell y'all to do and all the stuff that I learned in school, I wasn't really doing it for myself because I was exhausted. And I think even now, like, I work 2 jobs, trying to get back on YouTube, have other side projects going on, and I'm doing hair on the side as well. It's just a lot going on. And what I don't want to do is fall back into the trap of not caring for my hair in the name of a protective style. And also too, for probably the past year or so, when I do trim my hair, I take it really far. And there's been points where I got really overwhelmed and I cut like 2 inches off of my hair all over because it was too much. And I really want to expand what I do on my channel and what I show y'all. Now your girl is trying wigs. But here we are today, and I wanted to try this wig on with y'all for the very first time to see what it looks like, to see how I feel about it, and just to do like a live reaction almost. And I already know y'all gonna give it to me straight flats. Today was wash day, so I have washed, conditioned. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is go ahead and pin my hair down in the back. And so I do have some edge control. This. Okay. Got my wig hat. I'm gonna throw that on there. Okay, so you know we getting somewhere. So I did not do anything super fancy this go round. It is completely synthetic. What I was not about to do was spend all of this money on a fancy wig, and I don't even know how to put it on, and I don't know what I'm looking at, and I don't know what's going on. So this wig I have today is a Sis sister wig, and this one specifically is a Kalia #2. So it is an edge braid wig. Here's the actual package. It was $15.99, super affordable. There are different lengths. I got the longest one. I feel like this one is supposed to be like 22 inches, I think. And then we also have the shorter one at work. I put on this one right here, and the girl at work said it wasn't cute. So yeah, I took it off. Okay, but something really cool about this wig too that I didn't really think about until I started looking at this is that it could be used as a half wig as well. So if you wanted to do a half up, half down look, I may have to explore that and bring y'all along for that ride too and show you what I come up with. So that's really good to know as well. So here she is. You know, she cute. She got some length on her. She's a little bouncy. It is a little shiny for me because that is like the telltale sign of synthetic hair, is how shiny it is. Not super crazy about that, but I love the natural curl that it got going on. And then also on the inside, it does have these clips that you like push in, push out. And I've had some hair pieces that are kind of like that, and like my clip-ins. There is 4 of them. Top, bottom, and sides. And then also there is a drawstring, so I thought that was pretty cool as well, okay? And then around the top, you see this edge braid. and it goes like all the way down, and it has like that curly look at the ends. I will tell y'all, when I first saw this hair on a mannequin, the braid is where they had me messed up at, and where I really had beef. And I really feel like Black stylists and Black people in general, we've got to get more into like the hair making game with like wigs and pieces and stuff, because y'all, look at this. This don't make no sense. Okay, y'all see this edge of the braid? Y'all see this side of the braid, right? Okay, cool. So we just gonna follow the track of the braid. Do y'all notice something? It's one continuous braid. There's no way like in real life that could happen. So it's like they created one braid and just glued it on there. There is no part. Like, I've done my hair like this wig before, and I'm just like, y'all, how that work? But that's the only part where I was like, I'm not about to play with y'all. But okay, here we go, here we go. About to put her on. Okay, and then onto the back. I already said I was gonna tuck these braids in because I'm not even about to play myself. Okay, y'all, I'll be back with the finished look. Wait! Wait, look at the hair flip. This is cute. I was not sure at first, but as soon as I put it on, you know, I realized why the girls wear wigs, okay? It's just enough in length and in fullness. I didn't think I could actually pull off a wig, but what I'm the most impressed with is how it blends and just kind of like that connection here. Like, it looks real. And this is believable to me. It really goes with who I am and how I present and my natural hair and all of that. My natural hair is not this long yet. We working on it, we gonna get there. And so I love that. If there's anything I would change about the wig is the super shininess of it, but it works. I really like this. It was easy to put on. It really goes with me. I love that I did a natural color because I had thought about doing like some blonde highlights or something like that, but this is it. This is good for me, okay? And yes, I will also say I don't feel as bad as I thought I would. There was pieces of me that I had internal conflict and struggles because for years I've always been anti-wigs, don't do sew-ins, like none of that. And I was like, oh my gosh, like, am I changing? Am I not being true to me? But no, I think it really is more so about convenience. And my hair is at peace under here. And I think that's what really matters to me. At this point, yeah, this is my new wig, Kalia. Anyways, thank y'all so much for tuning in to my first wig try on. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video as much as I have recording it. Drop your thoughts down below. Tell me what y'all think. If it ain't cute, let me know. If I should keep going, let me know that too. Or any tips, drop them down. Let's see what's up. I'm also going to try to find the link for this wig and drop it down below. But if you are in the DFW area, come by the store and pick you up one, okay, at the Hive Beauty. So I'll see you guys really soon. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.